Hi guys, sorry the connection got lost, so I have to do it all over again. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the antioxidant eye base, okay? Just apply it all over the lid. Just cover it up with the fourth finger. Hi Milo. Or is it Milo? Thank you for joining. Hi Larissa. So you're gonna apply antioxidant eye base all over your lid. This is cream to powder. So it's like very easy to do any kind of makeup application on top of it. Okay. Let me look in the mirror. Very good. Okay, so now you're just gonna grab a small all over number 58 brush. Crease is right here, like where the bone is. This is your crease, right here. So in order to do a cut crease, you see when I open my eyes, where it creases, that's literally your crease. So you can do your own crease, okay, and just literally draw it out. Or you can draw a different crease, which is a little higher or lower, depending on what you want to go for. So for the sake of today, since we're doing a 5-minute cut crease, I'm going to be using a lighter shade. Okay, so this shade is going to be, let me see, this is pale. Okay, so it's like pinkish color. So I'm just going to pick it up just like this by tapping. Okay, you pick up a shade and just tap it on all the way until the crease. Very, very pale, just looking in the mirror, pink. And I'm just doing it on this part of the eye. That's it. Same thing here. Just pack it on. If you want to make it fancy and use a different color, you can. But just to show you the basics of cut crease, that's it. So you packed it on. You can also take a number 70 brush and just blend it all together. But I'm not going on top of the crease. This is just inside. Okay. Now I have to draw an actual crease, right? So there are a few ways to do that. You can actually draw it out, or just create a shadow right on top of it. So what I'm gonna do is, since I love this brush, number 70 eye definer, I'm gonna go into the darker shade. So since I wanna match my lipstick, so I'm gonna go with this color here. It's called Winter Sable. You see this? I'm gonna show you a swatch. It's a beautiful color. So you're gonna just pick up a pigment and just go above that crease. Take another brush. I'm gonna take my 4-in-1. That's it. That's really, it really is that simple. Just buff it out on top. Just looking in the mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. Apply some pigment. And then with this side, I'm basically just following the lines of my crease. That's it. And buff it. Yep. And then you can do this if you want, kind of connect them. It's up to you. Or just leave them at that. Like this. Okay. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. It's really kind of easy to clean this up, right? Just go over it with a Q-tip and call it a day. That's it. That's what happens when you have eyeshadow all over your hands. That's what happens. Okay. There we go. So now you can apply a pencil liner if you want. Wing it out. Okay. And just put your mascara on. That's it. That is your 5-minute cut crease. Okay? Thank you for joining me. See you tomorrow.